da da da, down, down.
Hello YouTube, Hack9 here again. Today I am going to showcase a powerful tool you can use to shut down a spammer's landline. Please don't use this tool on other people as it can get you in trouble. All the links for Limeflooder are in the description. Okay, let's begin. We will need to use a website called Twilio. Sign up and create an account and get a phone number.
If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through?
First get the SID number. Paste it into Limeflooder. Now get the off code. Copy your phone number and paste it. Select option 2 format. Enter victim's phone number starting with a plus and area code. Here is your result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you and goodbye. Hack9 out.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true.